Hello everyone, I'm here for the chapter which we have to study here is circle. So let us study circle with some definitions, some concepts and some theorems also which are required to complete this chapter. See firstly there is a circle, CIRCLE, circle. So what is circle? The first thing is definition. Definition. So what is definition of a circle? The locus of all points in a plane from a fixed point is called the circle. See, what was the definition? The locus of all points in a plane, this is a plane. The locus of all points from a fixed point. From a fixed point, the locus of all points in a plane is called a circle. This becomes circle with center O. This becomes circle with center O. Now, the fixed distance which is from this point, the fixed point is called the center. This fixed point is what called center. This is what called center of the circle. Center of circle. Okay. This center is represented by the capital letter O. After that, the fixed distance from this point to any point, from this point, this center to any point on the circumference of the circle, on the boundaries of the circle is called radius. So second thing, third thing which we learn about is radius. Radius r. Okay. Now this is denoted by small r like this r. This is r. This is r. This is r. Got it? Acha, one more concept we have to learn is diameter. What is diameter? Diameter is denoted by d, which is equal to 2r. So diameter is a line segment which passes through the center. जो भी सेंटर से लाइन सपोज हम पास करा रहे हैं ऐसा, तो ये रेडियस और आधा रेडियस यहाँ से और ऐड हमने कर दिया, तो ये डायमीटर हो गया. जैसे ये रेडियस आया, सपोज करिए दिस इज आवर सर्कल, दिस इज सेंटर, तो दिस इज रेडियस and this is also radius. So radius plus radius is equal to diameter. This is diameter. Then, acha, one more thing concept we have to learn about this is circumference. Circumference 2 pi r. What is circumference? Circumference is the total length. This total length. This total length of this circle is what? Circumference. That is the boundary of the circle. Suppose we take suppose there is a narrow rod and it will be molded to form the circle. When it will be opened from this part, it will be again a rod. So that length is what? Circumference. Again, the most important thing which we have to learn is area. Area of circle is pi r square. This has unit. Its SI unit is also unit. What will be the unit? Meter it will be, or centimeter, no issue. But this is a square unit. Square unit. The most important thing about circle which we have read is that area. Now we will find more interesting things. After this concept we will learn what is tangent, what is secant. So see, uh, the most important confirm is, see, tangent. What is tangent? So tangent is a point on the circle through which a line passes. Suppose it is a line which passes through the point, touches the circle at one point. Whenever a line touches a circle at one point, this is called the tangent of the circle. Tangent of the circle. Whenever a circle is touched by a line segment at only one point, that point is what? Tangent. And if it happens with the two places, if it passes with the two places, it means It means that line segment divides the circle in two parts, not equal two parts, but in two parts. That is what secant. मतलब whenever a line segment, sorry, a line is touching a circle at one point, that is tangent. When it is touching at the 2 points, that is secant. So before we have studied diameter. What is the diameter? A line segment that joins the 2 points together with center. But one more thing was their chord. In chord we have studied with the center. So AB is the chord. Chord AB. What is chord? Chord means it can also be like CD also a chord. Chord is a line segment, not a line. Whenever about we will talk about the line, it will be about secant and tangent. When we are talking about line segment, that is a fixed length, that will be what? Uh, chord. What is chord? Chord is a line segment which divides the circle in two parts. Divides nahi, just it touches the circle at 2 points. It's called the chord. Means diameter also touches the circle at the circumference of the 2 points, but it passes through the diameter, it passes through the center. It means every diameter is a chord, but every chord is not a diameter. Because for being diameter, you have to pass that point from the center. But here, this CD is also a chord, and in CD, it has not been passed from the center. That's why we can say CD as a chord, but not as a diameter. See, the most important now the factor is that uh, secant, chord, tangent, secant. Then, one more thing is there, arc. What is arc of a circle? So this part, a small length on the circumference of the circle is called the arc. So the smaller arc is called the minor arc, and the one which is larger, the arc which is other than the minor, is called the major arc. Same we are talking about the sector. What is sector? Suppose this is a circle. Actually, there is no space, and that's why the problem is there. See, this is arc, and when these arcs are joined by the radius of the circle r and r, this become theta. This theta is called central angle of the circle. And this whole area, this area is called the sector. This is what called sector. This is what called arc. This area is called arc, and the area enclosed by the arc and the radius is called sector, and the angle obtained at the center by the two radius or by the arc is called the central angle, and the sector, this sector is a minor sector, and the area other than this smaller sector is major sector. So what is the area of sector? See, area of sector is equal to area of sector. It is given by area that is equal to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. It is also in square unit. And what is this theta? This theta is the angle obtained by the arc on the center. This one is the theta. So theta upon 360 pi r square. This is the area of the sector. Whatever the sector is there, minor sector or major sector. So if we get the minor sector, area of minor sector, we will minus that, we will subtract that from the area, we will get the major sector. Got it, the things. So these are the important things. Acha, one more theorems are also there. Theorems are there to prove कि whenever you draw a circle, let me rub it. See, one more important thing is congruent circle. Firstly, congruent circle. So what is congruent circle? Congruent circle means circle with the same center but radius are different. Sorry, congruent circle means those who have the same radius. See, this is congruent to this. It means here small r is equal to capital R. R is equal to R. If R is equal to R, then it is congruent. What about congruent triangle? Concentric circle. Concentric circle. Concentric circle means with the same center. Center same હોય, but the radius are different. These are the concentric. Small r, capital R, small r dash, capital R dash, like that. This is concentric circle. What is semicircle? Semicircle. Whenever a circle is divided by the diameter, it is semicircle. A, B, O. This is what? This part is semicircle. Semi means half and circle means circle. So that is what? Half circle. What is the area of half circle? So area of full circle is pi r square. What is the area of half circle? 1 by 2 pi r square. Circumference of circle 2 pi r. What is circumference of this half circle? We can calculate. We will divide it by 2. We get the things. Got it? Acha, one theorem is there. It's a very important theorem which we have to prove here. See, this is the theorem. See, in this we have to prove these are perpendiculars. So theorem says that key the tangents from a point outside the circle, it's a theorem, tangent from outside the point of the circle, the tangents at the circle are equal in length, that is AB is equal to CD. Then just we are talking about the results, not the proofs. We will just talk about the result, proof will be told you later. So AB is equal to CD. This AB is equal to CD. This one is proved in theorem. This OB is perpendicular to AB and OC is perpendicular to AC. This is also proved. Then, one more thing is there. This is equal to 90 degree. Angle OBA is equal to angle OCA. Each equals 90 degree. कितनी एंगल्स होती हैं इनमें? 90 डिग्री एंगल्स होती हैं. अच्छा, one more thing is there to prove. Suppose this is a at the center of this is perpendicular to AB. This we have proved. Key the radius of the circle is perpendicular to the tangent of the circle. This is also a proved theorem. The tangents are equal in length. We have also proved. We have also proved the angles obtained by the angles by the radius on the tangents are also equal, is equal to 90 degree. I hope these things cleared you the chapter, and rest will be discussed in the next classes. Thank you so much.